So the question is, should you clean or maintain your boots? And the short answer is yes, of course you should. For you casual wearers like myself, it makes your boot look nice all the time, and for you construction workers, it'll make your boots last at least twice as long. My boots, of course, are for casual wear, so I only wear them on weekends, so I don't want them looking like this at all. The first thing I like to do is you want to wash them. So that's step number one. You want to use water and soap or a leather cleaner, or saddle soap is also very good, but I'm not using none of that. I'm just taking all the dirt off because I normally and regularly do that already, so I don't like to do that too often. I'm going to be using Armstrong's all-natural Brooklyn shoe kit, which is about a $60 kit there for you guys that don't have anything. This is a great way to start. It comes with all the essentials. But one of the things I wanted to clarify is that they did not pay me or sponsor this video, but they were nice enough to send me these products so that I was able to make this video. So that's really nice of them. A huge shout out for them to recognize such a small YouTuber like myself. Now, it does come with the leather conditioner and the boot shine. And as you can tell, just the way that everything's packaged is such a minimalistic product or packaging that comes with it. I really like the way it looks and the way it just kind of makes me feel that I'm buying a quality product. It does come with a brush and an applicator brush as well. And the first thing we're going to be doing is actually applying, or I should say this is the second step, is applying the leather conditioner, which as you can see, my boot is really dry in some areas, so you just want to make sure you apply it in all the nooks and crannies. And as you can tell, I'm actually doing this with my hands, which is a big deal because normally these products have a lot of chemicals in them, but not this product. This is, again, an all-natural product, as you might have guessed already. This is such a huge deal because I used to actually detail cars, and all the chemicals I used to use and apply directly with my bare hands really messed up and jacked up my hands. So whenever I go ahead and use this product, it actually kind of like moisturized my own hands, and I didn't actually have to wash it out. So it was really cool to use something like this. The boot shine, I did use the applicator brush that it came with. And one of the things you'll notice, as soon as you open the jar, you'll go ahead and it'll hit you in the face. It'll be some Orange Grove scent. It just smells like oranges and like this very citrus scent, and it filled my whole office, and it was such a great scent that I just wanted more of it, So the next thing, of course, once you apply this, you're going to want to buff this out. So after you apply it, you'll use the buffing brush, and that, of course, will be part of the step 3, or the last step, in other words. Now, what you can also use is a rag as well. After this, which I do use. Now, once I'm done buffing it out, and of course the buffing part is a lot of times the most important part, since that's what really gets the shine out. One of my favorite parts is that a lot of times these products make your boots look like you just dipped them in baby oil or in butter. And as you can tell here, as the final result, as I'm putting on the laces, it just looks like the only way I can describe it is a healthy shine. Of course, they don't look new. It holds a lot of the character of the boot because it's been worn, but it just looks so much healthier than what it was. And I'll show you a before and after here so you guys can see how this looked. Think, well, how long does this last? How many times do I have to use it? Well, just use it as you wish. As you can see, whenever you see your boot looking like the first picture, just go ahead and apply it. So if you follow that, your boots should look good all the time. But not only that, they should also last longer, especially if you're making an investment like $200 into a boot or more. Just to summarize, 1, you want to make sure that you take off the dirt, make sure they're clean. 2, you want to make sure that you condition the leather. And 3, you always want to add some sort of sealant or protectant to it so that way you don't have to clean your boots that often. Out of the products I use today, I would say that if you don't have any sort of cleaning products, I would say it's a great starter kit. But if you already have brushes and things like that, or if you just don't have $60 to spend right now, which is of course understandable, I would still 100% recommend the conditioner. At least get that. It'll make the biggest difference when it comes to how your boot looks. You can always add on a wax or a boot shine to it, and that's always a great protector. But the main thing, I would say, the biggest difference that you at least want to get is the conditioner, and that's not bad at about $14. It's right around the price range that you would expect these products to be. And especially with the quality of product that you get with it, I hands down recommend it. that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Unfortunately, I haven't been able to put this video up in the longest. It's been a crazy June. Unfortunately, there's just been a lot of things going on. You know, as some of you guys know, with my son's surgeries, it just kind of got a little bit hectic. Not only that, but Crosby, he had to go to the vet, and he's been sick. He's feeling better though now. And then lastly, we got hit by a hailstorm, and it totaled out our car, so we had to figure that out as well. So it's been a crazy June, so I want to definitely put that behind me, but I'll be able to make some more videos now. So I'm really looking forward to actually sitting down and having a little bit more time to just be able to make these videos. My last boot video got a lot of negativity for some reason, so I wanted to go ahead and just go ahead and put something positive in the comments. Tell me how you guys are doing, and then I'm gonna raffle out I'm gonna go ahead and buy one of you guys one of the conditioners. I'll go ahead and send it out to you. Remember, subscribe and leave something positive. Tell me how you guys are doing. What's going on in your life? Keep an eye out as well. I'm going to be doing a review on Armstrong's all-natural collaboration they did with O'Dowd's for a pomade. There's only under like 50 remaining right now on O'Dowd's site, so just a heads up, spoiler alert, it's a great product. If you want to go ahead and pick it up, I will do a review and talk a little bit about it more with an extra video I will be doing this week. So keep an eye out on that. Bottom line, that's basically it. Thanks again so much for your guys' support. I go by Jay the Cyborg. Also, sorry for looking like a bum. I'll see you guys very soon, and don't forget to check out my Instagram. I'll catch you guys later.